Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Ticket sellers looking to make some sales on Vivid Seats. In this video we will guide you throughout the basics of listing and selling tickets on Vivid Seats. From setting up your account to finalizing your sales, we've got all the steps covered. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first thing first guys, let's go ahead and open Vivid Seats. As you can see right here, this is the website. Now let's change the location to be, for example, USA. There we go. And as you can see, this is the top sold tickets in the USA. So there is say and Friends Block Party, there's College Baseball Ultimate Tailgate, there is Better Room Chicago, Jeff Island. So there is a lot of events that are going on in here. So how can we get to basically sell any tickets in here? So first of all, you have to go ahead and create and log in simply to your account. So here I'm going to log in with Facebook. So there we go, log in as my account on Facebook. And my account should be created in a few seconds or couple minutes. So after that, after we have created our account, so here you can, when you list tickets for sale, you will find here show up any ticket that you have sold. So now we have to sell tickets. So let's go here to all listings, and as you can see, these are the listings of your tickets. So for me, I don't have any tickets, so I'm going to click on get started now. And as you can see, this is how you can list your tickets and benefits of selling tickets in here. So list your tickets for free, set your own price and quantity, and change them at any time. Whether you have extra tickets, can no longer attend the event, or want to sell your season tickets, we have you covered. Get notified. We will send you an email to let you know when your tickets have been sold, and email or ship. Once you sell your tickets, upload your print at home tickets, or we will provide you with a prepaid UPS shipping label to ship tickets to their customer, no hassles. Then you will get paid, receive your secure payments via PayPal after the event occurs. So for you now, the requirement to sell, these are the requirements. So listing tickets on Vivid Seats is free. Once tickets sell, a 7% seller fee will be deducted from your total sale price. You must reside in the United States. You must have a valid PayPal account in order to receive payments. You must provide a valid credit card. Your tickets were basically either issued as physical printed ticket that can ship, or in a PDF e-ticket format. You must have tickets in your possessions, or provide the dates you anticipate having physical possession. You may not list or sell tickets before you own them. So these are basically the requirements before you get to sell anything on this platform. So here we can click here to sell the tickets. So here find your event. So we simply have here, let's write anything. Let me just type, for example, LOC, or event of big bands, event results, check the box, continue. So check the box next to each other. Let's search for a specific band, for example, Tyler. Here, continue. Please select at least one event and then continue. I have selected one, but seems like they are not really helping us. So let's go here, team Real Madrid, for example. They're not really showing us anything. It says Angels. It doesn't really show anything. Performers, venues. Alright, let's choose performers. 1 trade danger, 20 guitar, event results, check the box next to each event you have tickets for. So here they basically have to choose specific events, but since there is no event that are appealing to me, I'm just gonna search for something here. For example, this one. Let's choose this one. Alright, and let's go back to my account, sales, and I'm going to get started here and sell your tickets. Click here. Performers, matches, something like that. Okay, let's check this one, continue. Here the quantity I have like 13, 1, 2. Section, for example, you can choose section 3, row 2, C33, 34, and then let's add side view. alcohol, partial, etc, 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 stuff like that. And then let's click here on continue, and here delivery pricing. So here we fulfill this information. So what type of tickets are you listing? Print at home tickets, price tickets, payments information, etc, etc. So here let's put a price. So basically let's say, what price should I set here? So in order to sell tickets faster, take a look at the event you are listing tickets. So okay, got it. What's a split? What's the hand and date? Let's say, for example, I'm gonna set for 400. Alright, split smalls, any or none, and here payment information, PayPal address. Let's put this one and then click on continue. Once we are done with this phase, we have to put our information. So full information has to be included in this page, from name, last name, etc, etc, etc. So for example, here first name, I'm gonna just fulfill this information randomly. Click on continue, save this others for future users. Here phone number, for example, for contact, let's just use this one. Continue, and states is missing. So here let's add the states. Let's add this one. Continue. Here we go. Let's fulfill everything again. So I was missing the states, which took us to the beginning. So print at home tickets, upload later. Okay, PayPal address, this is the one. Here 400 we said. So let's add here 400. Continue. And basically here we were missing something. Yeah, the states. So let's fulfill everything. California. Here, something like that. No need. Continue. And there we go. So here we have to add our credit card information: card holder, card number, expiration month, expiration year, and CVV. This is very important, guys, because once you have put this one in their website, if the customer actually paid, you are not going to get the money instantly, but you're going to get it once the event has occurred. But let's say that a problem has occurred to the customer, so you will have to refund the money from your own wallet. And there are some cases where customers actually can be a little bit scammers, so they can really play and manipulate the system and try to get the money from you, out of you, and they even go to the event, so they can get to the events and still get the money out of you. So credit card balance with ticket location. Here card holders has put random information of yours, and as not random information but all the information correctly of yours, so your account can be created successfully without any problems. So this is basically it, guys. This is how you can list and sell tickets on Vivid Seats. It's pretty easy. Just create an account, make sure you own ticket or two, go to such an event or select the event that you're willing to sell the ticket for, and from that event your way to selling is basically easy. Just put your information, billing address, pricing, and you are good to go. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.